Hello, everyone. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, kings and queens, my name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of Lajoytra Creation Designs. I'm coming to you all today to show y'all how to make some tags that you can use to put on your gifts, or you can also create these tags to put your earrings on or your jewelry on. Okay, so here are the items that you will need to do this DIY. If you are not familiar with Scrap Pack, you gotta go and get you some Scrap Pack. Okay, I've done multiple videos. I did a video yesterday showing you all. I did a video the day before showing y'all where in Walmart to go and find the Scrap Pack. Then yesterday I did a video because I did a requested video because the ladies wanted to know, Miss Sharon wanted to know where to find the tags, okay? And I also mentioned in that video the Scrap Pack. This is the type of stuff that you get in the Scrap Packs, okay? The Scrap Packs, y'all, are $2.47, and you get 1 pound of assorted cards, different types of cards, okay? They come in different sizes, but you have enough in one Scrap Pack to make many pairs of earrings, to make just about anything that you want to make, okay? So, with that being said, I hope I sold some Scrap Pack today. So, you're going to need 2 pieces of Scrap Pack. The thing that I like about the Scrap Pack is that these come already cut. All right? So, you're going to need 2 pieces for the front and the back. You're going to need some scissors. You're going to need a squeeze punch. Now, I purchased this squeeze punch a year ago. I've had this for a while, okay? So you can purchase this. I got this from Joann's Fabrics when it was on sale for like 60% off. These things are expensive. They go from every bit of $12 to $16 to $17. Okay, I got mine when it was on sale. All right, so you're going to need a squeeze punch. This is the shape that I'm going to be creating. You're going to need a paintbrush, glue gun. You're going to need some glue, which is Aleene's. I took the thing off, but this is Aleene's tacky glue. You're going to need an awl, AWL. You can find this at Walmart as well. And you're also going to need some type of ribbon, or this is some suede cord that you can find at Walmart. They have it in 2 different types of colors. They have it in this, and then they have it in like a red, black, green, and gray, I believe. Something like that. And you can also use some ribbon, okay? So we're going to go ahead and get started. So the very first thing that you want to do is you want to take your squeeze punch, and you want to line your cards up in your squeeze punch. So all you do is you take it and you place it like this, and you squeeze it and punch it. See how simple that is? That's all you do, okay? And let's do this one. Pretty much going to do this one the same exact way. Just make sure that when you do this, that you place your cards in the same way. And this is what you're going to have. They're both going to have holes in them. Now, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your paintbrush, because sometimes I hate dealing with glue, y'all. And I'm going to put a generous amount of glue somewhere on my paper. Wait a minute. I'm trying to get this out. Okay, like that. And then I'm going to take my paintbrush, and I'm going to give this a generous amount, just like this. I'm going to paint it just like this. Okay, because I want to give it a generous amount. All right. Just make sure you get everything. Okay, now I'm going to lift this up just like that. I'm going to take this piece and I'm going to place this piece on top of this piece, and glue these two together. Okay, now what you want to do with this is you just want it to sit pretty much. You want it to sit for a while, okay? So while that is setting, I have already done a couple of them already that I have glued. And I have glued these 4 already. So this is pretty much what they're going to look like. The thing about it too is when you put both cards together, it's going to make it really stiff, okay? Nice and stiff. And that's pretty much what you want. You can do this and make so many awesome, awesome things with your squeeze punch, your glue, and these scrap packs, okay? So one side is like gold, and then I have another side that's red, and then this is gold and gold. This, I really love this one because this is really stiff. Now, the thing about the punch, you have to be careful because if the card is too thick, you can break these. I have broken a pair before. Okay, so you can, if you squeeze it too tight, you got to make sure that the paper is not really that tight, okay? I mean that thick. So I have this one, I have red, and I have these beautiful birds on there. And this one I just have like silver and silver. So basically all we're going to do is we're going to take our awl and you can put your holes anywhere you want to on here. I'm gonna put a hole right here, and that's gonna go straight to the back. And then I'm gonna try to line it up and put another one right here. Now the holes I'm putting in here, I'm going to be using this card for earrings, okay? Now I am going to take a piece of my black suede cord, and I'm gonna cut. It doesn't have to be too long or too short. Just put these 2 pieces together. This is about maybe 2 inches long. Fold it in half. And I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to snip this just like that. And then I'm going to come and put it through here. We want to hold these 2 pieces together. Put it through here. Bring that through the hole. Actually, I think I'm doing it wrong. I think I need to do it this way. Okay, you're gonna take this, take it through here, and then take these 2 pieces and put it through the hole. Pinch it just like that because you want this to be showing in the front, okay? Whatever side that you depend on that you want to showcase, okay? And then I'm going to take this and I'm going to tie it in like a little knot. Probably would have made sense for me to make it a little bit bigger, but it doesn't really matter. And I'm just going to tie it in a knot. I'm going to show you. Just like this. Okay. And here you have your little tag. Okay. Now with this, what you can do with this, say for instance, if you have like a craft show or craft fair that you're going to be going to, and you can make plenty of these, and then this part right here, you can just hang. If you have a, you can take, depending on your setup that you're going to be doing for the craft fair, you can take this and just hang it on something, or you can still use this tag to put it on a bag. I'm telling y'all, the sky is the limit. You can write something on the back of the card if it's plain, and then all you do is take your earrings whatever you have created. Okay, y'all, sorry about that. Then all you do is you take your earrings, you put it through the hole, push it down, okay? And it doesn't matter. You can do this for big earrings, small earrings, whatever size you want. And then you got yourself a really nice card. Okay, and don't forget that when you put your earrings on, you want to make sure you put your backs on. But look at that, you have yourself a nice card for earrings. If you wanted to, you could flip it, and like I said, you can write a message on these. You can also hang this at a craft fair. These will make some really awesome cards that you can hang at a craft fair. Okay, it'll save you some money, because a lot of times what we do is we go out and we buy extra essentials. But what I'm learning to do, ladies and queens and kings, is I'm learning to use pretty much everything I have, all my resources, and try to spend as less money as possible. Unless you just want something, like sometimes if you want to do something really special, sometimes they do have really, really awesome tags. But you can also create your tags just by using the scrap pack that you get from the store, okay, that has so many. And if you need to, if you have to, you can take a piece of your scrap pack, you can cut it down to the size of the card, and you can still do it, because look at this. This is the same size as the card. And like I said, the scrap packs come in many different sizes. They have a lot of them that come this size, but you can also take one of these and cut 2 pieces and make you a tag, okay? And this can be used for many, many different things. So I hope that this video has really helped, okay? Because the sky is, you know what I say, the limit, right? So this one is just about almost dry. But look at that. That's beautiful. And you can use this for anything that you want. If you get it and the card is too long, all you do is come and you snip that off, and you got a perfect card. And that's all you do, okay? So for those of you who are new, and actually, y'all, these are some of the ones that I made already. So if you are new to this here channel, if this is your very first time, please do me a favor by subscribing. Hit the bell button on the side, the all bell button on the side, so that when I upload more videos, you will definitely be notified. I want to thank y'all so very much for watching. Have a wonderful and awesome day until the next video, because there will be more. Peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.